Welcome to 3266 138th Ave in Hamilton, Michigan. Cue the music, let's go take a tour. Welcome to this beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch, nestled on a spacious 1-acre lot. This property offers the perfect blend of comfort and practicality, featuring a durable brick exterior that exudes timeless appeal and low-maintenance living. Inside, you'll find a warm and inviting layout, complete with generous living space and modern conveniences. The open concept design effortlessly connects the living room, dining area, and kitchen, making it ideal for both family living and entertaining. The attached 3-stall garage provides ample parking and storage, while the large pole barn is perfect for hobbyists, extra storage, or those seeking a versatile space for projects. Outside, enjoy the serenity of your private acre. Whether you're relaxing on the patio, gardening, or soaking in the peaceful surroundings, this property offers the best of country living with plenty of space to make it your own. Don't miss this rare find. Schedule your showing today and imagine the possibilities.